Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about polar coordinates. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put about s equal to r cosine theta, y equals to r sine theta. And we know that s squared plus y squared, that should be about r square cosine theta square plus r square sine theta square. We have r square, we can do about factorization. We know that this one in here equal to number 1. We simplify that's about r square. dy dx, we need to change into r dr d theta. And now about the bounds, we need to know that we have dy and we see that on the top we have the square root of 1 minus s squared. That means y equals to the square root of 1 minus s squared. Now if we put the power 2 for the both sides, we have y squared equal to 1 minus s squared. We put this one on the left, you got about s squared plus y squared equal to number 1. And we know that this is about the circle. At the center 0, 0, and the radius, that's about the square root of number 1 from here. And you got about number 1. Now we need to wrap the region in here. This is about 1, 1, negative number 1, negative number 1. Now, the bounds about dy between from 0 to the square root of 1 minus s squared. The square root of 1 minus s squared, that's this one in here. And y equal to number 1, that's it in here. So they want to go opposite in here. The next one, dx, s from 0 to number 1. So from 0 to number 1, that's it in here. So the area they just want to concentrate, that's it, only this one. Now we can put into the new bounds in here. So this one we have dr. dr, that's about the radius from 0 to number 1. d theta, we see that we start from here and we go from here. This is about b over 2. And we know that this is about trigonometric circle. So they start from 0 to b over 2 in here. So the interaction should start from 0 to b over 2. The next one, the function s squared plus y squared, we change for r squared in here with the power 2. That's about r to the power of 4. Now we need to calculate about this one. R to the power of 4 with r, we have r to the power of 5 dr d theta. The next one, the integration of r to the power of 5, we will have r to the power of 6 over 6. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So we put number 1 cone here, number 0 cone here. So we just have only 1 over 6. And now the interaction of the theta, we have 1 over 6 theta, and we put the bounds from 0 to b over 2. So we put b over 2 gone here, number 0 gone here, and now we just have only 1 over 6 b over 2 minus 0. So we have b over 12. This is the end. Thank you for watching.